Hey guys, welcome to Whole30, day number 1. You're probably gonna see a lot of strange food combinations, but it is what it is. Anyways, this is my breakfast, just some bananas with almond butter and some eggs. It's really simple. Basically, I have gotten pretty reliant on whey protein powder, so taking that out of my diet and still hitting my protein goal is a challenge, so it's gonna come, you know, weird food mixes, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Also, this is the almond butter that I put on top of the bananas. It's less fat and it's powdered like the PB2, only it's just almonds, so it's Whole30 approved. Let's see. Oh. For my coffee, I'm going to be using this Nut Pods French Vanilla. It is really good, and it is also Whole30 approved. It even says so in this little corner right here, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm going to eat my breakfast now. Thanks for joining me in on this full day of eating. Hopefully this is helpful for anyone who is doing the Whole30, or if you want to learn more, then I'll have all the information down below. I'll see you in a bit. So it's time to go for a run. It's funny how I just made a video yesterday about how like I was letting go, not letting anxiety get to me. And today I'm like, oh, there's so many things I gotta do and I feel very anxious. So I'm gonna go for a run. Not gonna have too many runs left until knee surgery next month. That's crazy. It's May now, so next month I am having knee surgery, pretty intense knee surgery. I won't be running or weight bearing anything for a good 6 weeks, so I'm gonna take advantage. It's a nice day outside. So, I will be back. Shush. And I'll see you at lunchtime. Hey guys, so it's lunchtime, and the trick to completing a Whole30 is to keep things simple. Don't overthink things, but then also be careful about like seasonings. For example, I've got these 2 chicken breasts. I'm gonna be cooking one off for now, and then one is gonna be dinner. So I'm kind of like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. However, seasonings, you want to make sure that you're either using stuff that is, you know, not mixed, or, you know, just like plain old garlic powder or salt, pepper. But that's boring. You don't want to be like too incredibly boring. So what you want to do is just make sure to read the labels. For example, Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning is off. Can't have it during Whole30. It's got rice concentrate in the ingredients for whatever reason. But yeah, so if you are going to use this for Whole30, do not. You can use, however, the 21 seasoning salute from from Trader Joe's. There's a lot in this, but they're all they all follow the guidelines of the Whole30. So I'm going to use this, some garlic powder, and some salt for the chicken. Then I've got broccoli and sweet potato. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat this up in the microwave and then saute it in the pan afterwards. And I'm just gonna steam this. So I've got my steamer going right here, as you can see. I'm just gonna go ahead and people, I just want you to know, I'm saving the stems for later. I'm not throwing them away. That's the hardest thing about doing these videos, is like every little thing you do, people want to like nitpick at. So don't worry, these are not going to waste. But I am gonna eat the flower part of the broccoli right now. I'm gonna get started on cooking, and yeah, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. For now, I'm just gonna play you some music and do the thing. Alright, so here it is. This is my lunch: sweet potato, broccoli, just chicken breast, and then this is the green goddess dressing from Trader Joe's. It is Whole30, thank God. So, if you're looking for a tasty dressing or sauce, that is the way to go. I'm gonna eat this now. Yeah. See you at a snack time or lunch. I mean dinner, whatever. Just had lunch. Just doing some work, and I'm gonna have a kombucha. Kombucha is Whole30 as long as it was only fermented with like fruit juices. So this is all, so it's black tea, green tea, kiwi juice, raspberry juice, lemon juice, ginger juice, and that's it. As long as there's no sugar in the kombucha, it's totally fine. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll see you at dinner time. Okay, so this is dinner. Sorry I didn't really explain it. I always feel weird like talking to a camera in front of people when like my roommates are home, and so I would rather just start cooking. Anyways, kale, green goddess dressing, tomatoes, and leftover chicken that I did from lunch. This is just like a really lazy, simple meal, and it took me like 5 minutes. So healthy, doesn't have to be hard. It's not the most exciting, but it works. So I'm gonna eat this now, and then I might have a little something later. We'll see. I'll let you know. And I will see you then for whatever I'm having next. Alright, so I'm gonna finish off the video here. This is just mango, and then the powdered almond butter. Let's see if we can. So yeah, you just mix the powdered almond butter with water. I did the same thing for my breakfast. I put on the bananas. So yeah, this is the last thing that I'm gonna eat today. So I'm just gonna end things here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I mean, if you feel like you want to do Whole30, you can start whenever you want to. The group that I'm running already started today. Still feel free to join in. I'll put the information down below if you want to like start a day late or something, or a couple days. But I encourage everyone to try it at least once in their life. I guarantee, you know, it'll be a challenge, and I definitely miss my protein powder for sure. So anyways, I'll be making more videos like this throughout the month because of Whole30, and it's not the easiest thing, and I'm gonna be traveling a little bit. I'll tell you more about that later as well, but traveling with the Whole30 is also an even bigger challenge. So anyways, for now, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you next time.